Alright, in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make an Origami Triforce. It's really easy, and you don't really need any other practice beforehand. It's pretty simple, and I'll show you how to do it. You can see these are blue and red Triforces I made, but we're going to do one with a yellow piece of paper. You don't need any special paper really, just a 6-inch square at the store. I prefer one with color on one side and then white on the other. So okay, let's get started. Start with the white side up. We're going to do a book fold. Let's just fold it in half. Get a crease right down the middle. Just like that, and unfold it. Okay, now we're going to do a fold to the center crease we just made. Fold it nice and sharp, and do another one to the middle crease. Okay, now turn the paper. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're just gonna crease to these two creases right here. So watch what I do here. I'm just gonna fold it over. And then I'm just going to take my fingernail and I'm going to push it down and make a crease just in the middle by these two creases here. Oops, sorry. And then we're just going to do the same thing again right here. We're going to fold the paper up to that crease we just made and do the same thing. Once more. Okay, now this next step takes a ruler and a pencil here. We're going to make a little mark. It's just, if you're using a 6-inch square paper, it just makes you just need a 3/16 of an inch mark from this part right here to right here. Right there. It's just 3/16 out from this little corner crease. Okay, we're going to do another one right here. So a little plus sign. Okay. Now we're going to do some mountain folds. First, we're just going to get this just creased to that plus sign there. We'll do that right here too. Okay, and then we're going to make a crease from right here to right here. It's going to be a mountain fold. So hold the paper like this. Okay. Now we're going to do that here. Try to only crease it really in the triangle. Don't do too much out over here or something. Okay, and then unfold it. And see, now you've got an equilateral triangle. Okay, now take this top paper and fold it down. Then take this edge right here, and we're going to bring it up to these 2 points right here. This point right here, and this point. Okay? And then crease it. Press it down. Okay, we're going to do the same thing right here. Okay, once you've got that done, turn the model over, and now those creases that we made previously, we're going to use those. Fold the paper up in this previously made crease, Okay, and then take the paper and fold it over from this other previously made crease. Get it nicely creased down. And there may be a little discrepancies with the paper, just try and get the other crease done too. Okay, almost done. The last step, we're going to turn it over and we're going to crease it a little bit here, get a kind of a pre-crease. And then we're going to open the model up and we're going to shove this paper inside it. Just follow the folds. Trying to kind of push it in there so you can't see it. And it's doing two things. It's hiding the paper and it's locking the model in. Okay. And you lay it down and you just take your fingernail and crease it nice and hard. Okay. There. That's it. You should have a pretty nice looking Triforce. Well, thanks for watching this. I hope you liked this video. If you do, subscribe to me and like the video if you liked it. Okay, well, thanks a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.